Welcome to the International English Language Testing System taking place on Friday 25th August. The candidate ID is S2202310 and the examiner ID is S2202334. Good morning, I'm Ashwajan Sir. Today I'm your examiner. Would you please tell me your full name?
Good morning, I'm Soda Janara Kamal. You can call me Janara.
Okay. Can you show me your identification card?
Sure.
Thank you very much. Now I'm going to ask you some personal questions. Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student of class 7.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading books and drawing pictures.
Now let's move to part 1. In part 1, I will ask you some questions about school. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Did you go to high school near to where you lived?
Yes, I did go to high school near to where I lived. Although it was not a good school because it was a primary level school, but now my parents don't allow me to go anywhere far from my house. So that's why now I can visit any school.
Okay, what did you like about your school?
Well, I think that I spent some of my best years from class 1 to 6 at my school because I made there are so many friends and I gained so many life-changing experiences. Although the main thing is that it was very near to my house and I can forget the opportunity about beside from my school.
Okay, tell me about anything that you don't like in your school.
There were a number of things that I don't like in my school. First of all, there were a few lifts and a huge population of students. So the lift can accommodate so many students, and the main problem is that we don't have any canteen in our school. The school environment is not so clean. There is not any garden, any trees, any flowers. So there are many problems in our school.
Okay, how do you think your school could be improved?
There are many things that can improve our school. First of all, the lifts can be more, and they will be better if there will be more extracurricular activities. There will be more science laboratory, and the lab can be very huge. So that can improve our school.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now we'll move to part 2. In part 2, I will give you a cue card. Here is your cue card.
Thank you so much.
Here is your paper and pen. You have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about the topic, what you are going to say, and you can make some notes to help if you wish. Your 1 minute time is starting now. Your time is over, now can start.
Well, this is an interesting topic to talk about. I want to own our own room for myself in the future that I have always dreamed of. I have a room, but I don't have a peaceful and quiet place for this. And first, I saw this on YouTube, and I want this from my childhood. I want this room for myself because for study and a quiet place.
Okay, this is the end of part 2. Now let's move to part 3. In part 3, I will ask you some questions about owning things. What types of things do young people in your country most want today?
I think that just like other countries in this world, people in my country wanted to own like cars, villas, TVs, houses, and other rich assets.
Okay. Why do some people feel they need to own things?
Some people feel that they need to own things because they don't want to depend on others for these things which they actually require in order to live a respectable life in this world. And some people feel that they work really hard, so they depend these things, so they deserve these things.
Okay. Do you think that owning lots of things make people happy?
No, I don't really think that owning a lot of things can make people happy mainly, because happiness is only a state of mind, and a person can choose to be happy even he or she earn many things and earn a very little.
Okay. This is the end of part 3 and this is also the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much.
Welcome.